So first of all, what you have to do to fix this problem is to go to your phone menu, then you tap on settings. After tapping on settings, what you have to do next is to tap on apps and notification. After tapping on the app and notification, what you have to do again is to tap on see your apps. So before you tap on it, you have to wait for it to load. As you can see, it's loading on my phone screen. So after loading, you're going to see your apps, then you tap on it. After that, you have to wait for it to load, as you can see. So after loading, you are going to see all your apps over here. So what you have to do is to search for Signal. Then you tap on it. After that, tap on notifications. Make sure every notification is turned on. So just scroll. When it's off, you have to turn it on. After that, tap on permissions. You have to allow every permission. As you can see, it has been denied over here. So allow every permission. So after allowing every permission, what you have to do next is to go back. Then you tap on storage and cache, then you clear the cache. After that, go back. Then you tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi or mobile data and restriction. And make sure background data is turned on. So make sure it's turned on like this. Then lastly, what you have to do is to tap on force stop, sorry. So then you tap on OK. After doing this, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu again. Then you search for Google Play Store. So tap on the Google Play Store. Then you search for Signal. So as you can see, I've already searched for Signal over here. So you have to search for this Signal. Then after that, what you have to do is to tap on this. So when you tap on it, you're going to see this, and you have to tap on the update over here where it says update. Tap on it. And when you're seeing open like this, don't tap on open. What you have to do is to go back, then you restart your device. So when you finish with the update, you have to restart it. So tap on the restart, then tap on OK. Thanks very much. After doing this, your problem is going to be fixed in the next one. Bye.